So just closing your eyes, drawing your attention to your breath. And you can do that technique again. Just notice your sense of hearing, your sense of touch, a sense of sight, sense of taste, and a sense of smell. Just take a deep breath in, deep sigh, breathe in, release. Once more, breathe in, let it all go. And just be still and feel your body from within. Well done. Open the eyes and let's slide down on our mat. So taking your arms above your head, give your body a good stretch. Point and flex your feet. Point and flex. And bring both knees in towards your chest. Give them a good hug in. Do a little rock from side to side. And then just taking your left arm above your head, roll over to your left side, slowly come up. And let's start in child's pose. So taking your knees wide apart, big toes touching, and bring your forehead down. Coming up onto all fours, and let's do our cat and cow. So breathing in, looking up, and breathing, looking down, rounding the spine, breathing in, and breathing out. Using your breath, breathe in, breathe out, and keep going. Let's do one more. Exhale, round the spine, hold it here and breathe. Just tuck the toes under and just gently rocking forwards and back. So you're not going too far forwards, just on your line with your shoulders. And then maybe taking your sitting bones as close to the heels as you can. Well done. Do one more. And then just take the knees wide apart, flatten your feet, and draw your sitting bones towards your heels. Coming up onto all fours, and we're just going to step that right foot forward between the hands and shuffle a little further forward. Do a little lunge here. And then taking your foot back, let's do the other side. Drop a little bit further forward and lunge. Maybe a little bit of a bounce. Well done, and take it back. And then just take knees wide apart, big toes touching, bring your forehead down. And coming up onto fours and step that right foot forward. Nice lunge again. This time bring your hands up onto the thigh. Lunging. And sweeping those arms up. Hands about shoulder width apart. Just lifting the chin slightly. Well done. Bring your hands to the floor. Take that leg back. Let's go to the other side. And hands up onto the thigh. Sweeping the arms up. Hands to the floor. And take that foot back. Knees wide apart. Big toes touching. Bring your forehead down. And coming up onto all fours. Let's go now into our plank pose. Shoulders in line with your wrists and keep those legs nice and strong. Breathe. Now exhale to downward dog, lifting those sitting bones up and just walking the feet out, treadle the feet. Drawing both heels down. Breathe in, float to plank pose. Breathe out, downward dog. Breathe in, plank. Breathe out, downward dog. Breathe in, plank. Breathe out, downward dog. Okay, and then lifting your head and step your left foot forward. Keep that back heel lifted, sweep the arms up. Pull that rib cage into the body. Extend your left leg. Push into that heel. Well done. Bring your hands to the floor and step your foot back into downward dog. Just walk the feet out. Draw both heels down. Now step the left foot forward and sweep those arms up. Remember, if the foot is not, you want the knee in line with the ankle. So if you need to and you wasn't able to step forward, just shuffle it a little further forward so the knees in line with the ankle. Breathe, keep the rib cage moving into your body. Hands to the floor and downward dog. Walk the feet out. Draw both heels down. Breathe in, float to plank pose. Breathe out, downward dog. Breathe in, plank. Breathe out, downward dog. And let's do one more. And downward dog. Well done. Lift your head and step your right foot forward again. Breathe in, sweep the arms up. This time, take your hands behind your back and just interlace your fingers. Move your shoulder blades towards each other. Lift your chest. Lift the chin slightly. You're working your arms down towards your heel. Well done. Release the arms, sweep them up. Bring your hands to the floor, down a dog, walk the feet out, treadle the feet. Draw both heels down. And let's step that left foot forward, sweep the arms up. And take your hands behind your back, interlace the fingers. Draw the shoulder blades towards each other, lift your chest, lift your chin. If you can go back even more, you can. Just go as far as you can. Listen to the body. Well done. Release the arms, sweep them up. Bring your hands to the floor. Down a dog. Treadle the feet. Draw both heels down. And step the right foot forward again. And sweep the arms up. Interlacing your fingers behind your back. Squeeze your shoulder blades towards each other. Lift your chest. Now breathe in. As you breathe out, you're going to fold over that thigh. And maybe lift the arms. Breathe. Back heel is lifted. Release your arms and swoop them up. Hands to the floor. Downward dog. Walk the feet out. Draw both heels down. Lift your head. Step left foot forward. Swoop arms up. Interlace your hands behind your back. Squeeze those shoulder blades together. Breathe in as you breathe out, folding. Lifting the arms up. Release the arms and swoop them up. Try not to fall over. If you feel unsteady, go near a wall. Well done. Bring your hands to the floor. Down dog. Walk the feet out. Draw both heels down and just hold your downward dog. Breathe. Well done. Take your feet as wide as your mat. Walk your hands towards your feet. Bend your knees. Come into your squat pose. Breathing in through your nose. Deep sigh. Breathe in. Release. Once more. Let it go. Bring your hands to the floor. Bring your knees to the floor. Big toes touching. And then bring your forehead down to your mat and just relax your body. Slowly come up and see if you can bring your hands behind you. If you can't, just bring your hands in front of you or hands on your thighs. Go where you can. Never force. Okay, well done. And then just release your right leg and your left leg. Well done. And sitting up nice and tall, feel spine lengthening. If you need to, just soften the knees a little bit and just sit up nice and tall. Just rock from side to side. From one sitting bone to the other. Well done. And then just settle in the center and just hold it here for a few breaths. Relax your shoulders, relax your face. Okay, and just bend the knees now. Place your hands onto your thighs and then slowly rolling down, nice and slow. Bringing your knees in towards your chest. Give them a good hug in. Do a little rock from side to side. And then straighten your legs along the floor. Bring your arms by your sides, palms facing up, and just close your eyes. Draw your attention to your breath. And just feeling your body from within. Let's take a deep breath in through your nose. Deep sigh. Breathe in. Release. Once more, breathe in. Let it go. And on your next in breath, just take both arms above your head. Give your body a good stretch. Point and flex your feet. Point and flex. Bring both knees in towards your chest. Give them a good hug in. Do a little rock from side to side. Taking your right arm now above your head, roll over to your right side. Slowly coming up. Okay, sitting cross-legged. Take both hands behind your back. Take your left hand across your right wrist. Breathe in. As you breathe out, folding forwards. Slowly come up. And now just dedicating your shantis, which means peace. Peace to all beings, to your family, friends, your loved ones, to our planet, to our Mother Earth, and all your creatures. Into the lungs. Take a deep breath in. Om Shanti. 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 Thank you, everyone. Namaste. Thank you. Thanks, guys.